Good afternoon, everybody, on this lovely Saturday afternoon. Today's topic is Industrial Design, Academy of Art University. Okay, people, today's topic is going to electrify you. Why? You think the engineering video was great? This one is going to blow your mind. For one thing, all the stuff I talked about before the engineering and design of architecture and CAD drafting takes place is central to the colleges I mentioned before. In the previous videos about engineering and technology communications, it's important to watch this one is because to show you how it is a basic foundation which leads to careers in the following sort: architecture and design, graphic design, video game design, illustration, industrial design, interior and multimedia communication skills, in CAD drafting, as well as product design and product engineering. If you would like to study any of this, Academy of Arts University offers an AA Associates of Arts degree. Okay. IDS 121, which is Industrial Design School, Design and Drawing 1. IDS 134, which is Model Making number 2. IDS 140, which is Computer Drafting. This leads you to taking Product Design 1 and 2, and Transportation Design 1 and 2. All of this is industrial design. Industrial design also they call the School of Academy of Arts Design University, because it teaches you how to draw and design anything from industrial to graphics to portfolio, toy design, and more. In order to build or engineer any type of product, it first has to be drawn or sketch. Sketch is a basic element of drawing. I'll give you an example of that. Geometric shapes is a form of sketching. I will later post you an example of my designs. I design anything from cars, which is transportation design. Anything that I design from transportation design from cars or such as it's called auto body car design. Appliances, which is industrial engineering, a part of this is done by computer graphics, which is part of CAD. Okay. CAD drafting, where you will use keyboard and flat computer screen to do your three-dimensional and mechanical drawing. Remember I told you mechanical is the study of how something works. Okay. The AA Associates of Arts degree is a 66-unit course. Toy design is also part of industrial design and industrial engineering. Why? Because it's all a major key factor and a major key component. Always remember, when doing any type of engineering or industrial design, okay, or manufacturing, remember, any of these type trades or engineering courses or industrial design courses is IDS 121, which is drawing 1, and IDS 134, model making 2, and computer drafting. These courses are all prerequisites and will help you develop basic industrial design drawing skills using colored pencils, ballpoint pens, pastel, and more, which is I use all of it, including the number 2 pencil. To me, number 2 pencil is the best. Focusing on rendering craftsmanship, accurate perspective, contrast, and composition. This concentrated course is intended for building up sketches, quality, and to enhance perspective knowledge. To enhance your perspective knowledge. You may also take this course online. This course number is IDS 121, Design Drawing 1, which is prerequisites. IDS 116. IDS 134, which is model making. IDS 134 leads to the hands of use of power tools, machinery, and sculpturing. An example of that, clay models. Another example would be a head sculpture out of plasters and clay or ceramic material, toy design, which is also industrial design. I'll give you an example of plasters and sculpture making, modeling of heads, and famous people on TV called Mythbusters. Toy design, which is also industrial design. Remember I spoke of this earlier in the video. Okay, in the making of this video, manufacturing, I'll give you another example, which would be Mattel Toys R Us Incorporated. Okay, another example of that would be General Foam Plastics in Tarboro, North Carolina, where I live, not too far from, which is I live in Rocky Mount. They manufacture toys out of plastics and plasters, which is called molding, which is a department called blow, molding and blow, and stuff like that. Also, the drawing of cars, which is known as transportation design, was driven design, auto body and car design, which is CAD design, also in drafting, as I mentioned before, and industrial engineering combined essentially. Give you an example of that: Honda, Audi, Toyota, Lexus, Jaguar, Mercedes-Benz, and Maseratis. Okay, all are designed and engineered because they have to be drawn and sketched by sketch artists. Pretty much everybody has a sketch artist. Meaning, before drawings and another set of individuals blueprint it and have it three-dimensionally put on screen, called digital webcam, and graphics known as CAD, as I mentioned before. Another school that teaches you this foundation of industrial design would be that of AIADT, which stands for Industrial Academy Design Technology. Okay, they teach you CAD drafting, building information technology, which is called BIMT, which is building information modeling technology. Okay, video game and graphic designers also have the same background in graphics communication I have, which is photography, film development, line and bar graphs and charts, which is uses the use of microwaves and radio waves and sound frequency waves and technology, which is I'm majoring in technology and communications, is a part in the central of network engineering. And yes, it's also now known as information technology, which is the engineering of your cell phones, iPads, keyboards, computers, and other type softwares. Thank you all for watching, YouTube viewers and Facebook viewers. Remember, in order to be any type of designer, you have to draw or sketch it first. If you can't draw, these courses are designed to teach you to draw. I, for one, never had to be taught how to draw because I was drawing ever since I was 5 years old.